Are you tired of natural hair remedies that promise a lot but deliver nothing? This herbal spray could be exactly what your scalp has been missing. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make it. Now let's get started.
1, 2, 3.
Before we start making this recipe, I want you to understand why I chose every single ingredient. This isn't just a random blend of herbs. Every ingredient has a specific purpose. Some help to calm the scalp, some help to maintain a healthy scalp environment, and others help support stronger, healthier looking hair. Think of your scalp like the soil in a garden. Even the healthiest plant can't thrive if the soil isn't in good condition. And the same is true for your hair. A healthy scalp creates the foundation for healthy hair. I'm now going to cut the onion and put it right into the bowl with the peels. Most people use the onion itself and throw away the peel straight into the trash without realizing it contains valuable plant compounds that can benefit the scalp. Onion peel is naturally rich in sulfur, an important building block of keratin, the protein that gives your hair strength and structure. Now with everything in the bowl, I'm now going to use some warm water to thoroughly wash the onion and the peel to remove any dust and impurities. This is what the water looks like after washing. Now for the next step, you will need a clean jar. Go ahead and take out all the onions and put them right into the jar. The next herb I'm adding is marshmallow root. And if you've never used it before, I think you're going to love what this does for dry, tangled hair. Marshmallow root is naturally rich in mucilage, a slippery gel-like substance that coats the hair and provides incredible slip during detangling. This helps reduce unnecessary breakage while making your hair easier to comb and to manage, as well as to retain hydration. Now, of course, I cannot leave out rosemary. It's one of the most talked about herbs in natural hair care, and for good reason. Rosemary has been traditionally used to support a healthy scalp by helping maintain healthy scalp circulation and creating a balanced scalp environment. And one of the things I love about rosemary is how lightweight it feels compared to heavy oils. So if you have fine, thin, or oily hair, you will enjoy applying this or even rosemary water every day. Now let's add some rose petals. They don't just make this herbal infusion look beautiful, they also bring their own benefits to the recipe. Now rose petals are naturally rich in antioxidants, along with vitamins A, C, and E, which help nourish the scalp while protecting it from everyday environmental stress. Next up, I'm using chamomile, one of my favorite herbs for anyone dealing with a sensitive or irritated scalp. Chamomile is widely known for its soothing properties, so if your scalp often feels itchy, dry, or uncomfortable, chamomile may help calm and comfort your scalp while providing your scalp a healthier scalp environment. Now to complete this herbal blend, I'm adding cloves, which are naturally rich in antioxidants and contain beneficial plant compounds that help support a healthy scalp environment. And with that, I'll be pouring in hot water all over the herbs until they are completely covered. The hot water gently softens the onion peel and the herbs, allowing many of their natural occurring compounds to gradually infuse into the water. And instead of rushing the process, I'm going to give it a good mix, then cover the jar with a clean towel and let it infuse for about 4 hours. This gives the herbs plenty of time to release their beneficial plant compounds, creating a rich herbal infusion that we'll use in the next step of our recipe. Here I am covering it with a towel, just like I said. Now, after about 4 hours, I'm going to unwrap it and show you exactly what it looks like. Wow, you can already see how deep and rich the red color is. I'm now going to use a cheesecloth to strain the mixture and separate the liquid from the onion peels and the herbs. This is going to give us a smooth herbal extract that's much easier to apply to the scalp and hair. And here are all the leftover herbs I have after straining, which have already released all of their natural occurring compounds into the water. Now take a look at this beautiful infusion. I love the rich color because it's a sign that the herbs have had plenty of time to infuse. This is the botanical base that we'll use for the rest of our recipe. Now to make this formula even more nourishing, I'm going to add a few carefully selected oils, starting off with some vitamin E oil, which is known for its antioxidant properties and helps condition both the scalp and the hair. And next I'm adding some jojoba oil, and one of the many reasons why I love jojoba oil is that it closely resembles the scalp's natural sebum, making it lightweight and comfortable for many hair types. Now I'm adding a few drops of peppermint essential oil. And peppermint provides a refreshing, cooling sensation to the scalp and is commonly used in hair care products. Now I'm adding castor oil, and castor oil is a favorite in many hair care routines because of its rich texture. Now let's give everything one final mix until all of the ingredients are fully combined. And at this point, our herbal infusion has been transformed into a rich, nourishing hair treatment that's ready to use. Let's pour this beautiful strained herbal infusion into a clean bowl. Just look at that color. Rich, deep, and beautifully concentrated. And that's exactly what you want to see after allowing the herbs to fully infuse. And at this point, the liquid is loaded with beneficial plant compounds from every single ingredient we've used, creating a nourishing herbal base that's ready for you to use on your hair and scalp. I'm now going to transfer the mixture into the spray bottle so that it's easier for us to use. And that's it. Our herbal hair treatment is now ready to use. And before you go, I want to leave you with one important reminder. Healthy hair isn't about chasing every new ingredient you see online. It's about understanding what your hair needs and building a routine that works best for you. That's why I create many videos across a variety of ranges for you to choose what best helps you. I hope today's video helped you understand not only how to make this herbal infusion, but also why each ingredient was carefully chosen. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more natural hair care recipes. Thanks for watching.